Hi friends, thank you so much for joining me for another video of opening these gorgeous Woolworths and Big W mystery brick packets. My little boy's favourite teacher at his school, Miss Jacinta, very kindly gave us a few packets of these to open on the channel. So again, another big shout out to Miss Jacinta, and let's open these packets. I'm hoping for no more double ups, but it feels familiar. So let's have a look and see what it could be. Wow! It's another strawberry patch. Yay! We love strawberries. Now let's open it up. And there's lots of pieces to this one, so make sure we don't lose any. The one hiding in the packet. Okay. Look at that. Oh! So we've got the brown soil, and we've got the 3 strawberry fruit red tops, and we've got the 3 green leafy plants, and then we've got this little guy here. It's a triangle bit, and that is where our sign is going to sit, letting us know that it's strawberries growing. And here is the sticker here. So if we peel this sticker off, oh, these stickers are excellent for tiny little hands. Oh, come on. There we go. All right. Let's put that on here. How perfect is that? Our little strawberry patch. Let's do this a little bit differently to the last one. We'll put one green plant there, another green plant there, and another green plant there. And that is our strawberry patch before the strawberry fruit grows. But we want to make sure that there are strawberries there. So what we're going to do is we're going to get these 3 strawberry fruit, and we're going to put the little gorgeous cute little stickers on there. And they are our strawberry fruit. If we don't get it right on the middle, that's okay. But it looks pretty good to me. Peel these stickers off. What is your favourite fruit? Tell me in the comments. Is your favourite fruit strawberries? My favourite fruit, I would say, would be apple. But strawberry is yummy too. There we go. And we do one more. There we go. All right, now we put the strawberry fruit in the strawberry plant. Pop, pop, and pop. And there, my friends, we have a beautiful strawberry patch. We'll put it with the other one, hey? All right, we've got another one to open. This one feels, this one feels familiar. I think we've had one of these before. Let's open it and just check. It is, yay, we've had these, and these are great. They're solar panels. Excellent message for sustainability. Let's open this packet up, make sure there's nothing left in the inside. There isn't. And these are really, really easy and simple to make. We've got 2 grey rectangles there, and we've got 4 brown triangles. So let's put these triangle feet on first. They just go on like so. Hopefully I got it right. Did I get it right? Goodness gracious. You've got to have really little fingers to do this. So there's one. And it should sit up by itself, and it does, but we just got to make it like that. And then we'll put these other feet on. Upside down. Want that 1 foot on there. And 1 foot. It's funny that they call them feet because they really don't look like feet, do they? They don't have toes. All right, we've got some solar panels. But what do you think is missing from this solar panel set? The stickers. So we turn that over. And there they are. These are big stickers, so they're easier to peel off. We pop that on like so. It's not perfect, but that's okay. Oops. And this sticker too. Oh, does your house have solar panels? Mine does. I think a lot of houses these days do have solar panels. It's good for the environment. It helps us harness the energy from our sun and create energy for us to use. And there you go. Solar panels are done. All right. Again, another thank you so much, Miss Jacinta, for giving us those packs to open on our channel. Look what I've got here. I've got another pack to open, but guess what? I'm not opening it on this video. I'm going to open it on the next one. So what I want you to do is press like for this video, subscribe to our channel, and definitely tap that notifications bell so you are told when our next video comes out. And I'll see you in the next one.